Welcome to Watch Chat, where we chat about watches and other facts of life. I'm feeling a little blue today. Recently, I had a conversation with a friend of mine about types of watches we collect. Instead of mentioning the functionality of the timepieces, we talk about the color of the dials. He prefers black dial watches. This got me thinking about the watches I have. Whilst predominantly black dial watches are the common theme, I've noticed that blue dial watches are the runner-up. If you want to know more about these timepieces, you can check them out on my in-depth review videos by clicking the link in the description below. So here is a rundown on all the blue watches I have, starting from the most affordable one ranging to the priciest piece. This big boy here, like the Mobile Birostris, is a gentle giant. Measuring at 43.8mm in diameter, the samurai design case is a robust diver watch. There are two features of this watch that I really like. First is that gorgeous looking dial. Not only is it textured and shaded, it also has a painting on it, with 3 Manta rays swimming in the deep blue. The next feature that I like is that unique blue rubber strap. This is not something you see often. I like how the color on the strap complements the color on the dial. Although this is called a special edition watch, I don't see what's the difference between this and the other normal manufactured watches since it is still in production. This is one of the 6 Street Fighter series watches that was released in year 2020. This Chun-Li model here is limited to 9,999 pieces, and that's a lot. I personally think that anything more than 1,000 pieces should not be regarded as limited edition, if you know what I mean. But here we are. The design on the watch emanates from Chun-Li's blue and gold costume. The hour markers stem from her spike bracelet, and the transparent case back is imprinted with the command control of Chun-Li's special move, the spinning bird kick. The same goes with the rest of the Street Fighter watches. The JPN130R should never be underestimated. This blue nugget here has design cues from luxury timepieces that are more expensive than Rolexes. The luckless design and the perforated rubber strap here pays homage to the older models of HYT. The way the strap is attached and curved, and the use of FKM rubber really brings out maximum comfort due to its soft texture, lightweight, and cold and heat resistance. The use of carbon and grade 5 titanium assures a lightweight and robust timepiece. It weighs 1/4 of iron and is 10 times stronger. This is one watch that I enjoy wearing in an outdoor activity. Limited to only 500 pieces, the JPN is solar powered. The BB58 is considered one of the easiest watch to put on, regardless of what attire you're wearing. Albeit, it has a sportier look due to the diver bezel and rivets on the bracelet. It is still a dressier piece compared to a Rolex Submariner due to its slimmer and shorter lugs, smaller circumference, thinner height, and lack of crown guards. On days I do not know what to wear, the BB58 becomes my default go-to watch due to its versatility and practicality. You can easily wear this to a ball, boardroom, barbecue, or bungee jumping. I've always loved Grand Seiko for 2 reasons. Its mechanical wonder, be it the automatic or spring drive movement, not such a big fan of their quartz, and their supreme craftsmanship. The Zaratsu polishing on their hands, markers, and case remains to be far superior than most brands. They sparkle like diamonds. Having said that, it does become a problem for me, especially with this watch. Because the polishing on the case is mirror finish, they are also easily scratchable. Hence, this watch requires a lot of babying. Speaking about baby, the baby blue texture dial here is absolutely gorgeous. It is one of my more attractive dials. especially among the ladies. We've looked at sunburst dials, matte dials, texture dials, and dials with a painting. What about a dial with a sculpture? Not any sculpture, but a sculpture that is functionable. Not many Worldtimer have a globe that works. Apart from this, another Worldtimer that I know of that has a globe that works is the Gruber Fossier GMT Balancia Convex. To know how it works and to check out my review on the Gruber Fossier, you can click on the link in the description below. If you know any other GMT watches that has a globe that works, do share in the comments below. The Omega Worldtimer has one of the cleanest and symmetrical dial a Worldtimer can have, in my humble opinion. They don't seem cluttered or cramped up. This is a Rolex. Last but not least, the Magic 8 is perhaps considered a wild card in this collection. You either like it because of its sheer beauty and uniqueness or hate it because of the loud color. For me, this is one of its kind. I've not seen any other watches having the same kind of blue. If you've seen any, do mention it in the comments below. The dial is Granville enamel with Camailleux technique up to 8 layers. In my honest opinion, Charles Girardier is really underrated. More people should be talking about their watches as they do make gorgeous looking high horology. We are talking about a GPHG award winning brand here. I mean, just look at its elegance, workmanship and animation feature. The 8 here deconstruct and reconstruct over a period of time, reminding me that life struggles are just part of the cycle of life. And over time, we will see sunny days ahead. So, there you have it, my blue watch collection. Do check out my in-depth review on all of these watches by clicking the link in the description below. I hope you will enjoy them. If you have any of these watches, do share your experience with us by commenting below. Or, if you have any questions about them, feel free to ask and I'll try my best to get back to you. Don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe button to support the channel, and I'll really appreciate it and promise to make more videos like this. Until the next one, thank you for watching.